We're told here that x is a negative integer. So let's start out by writing the number line, just to help visualize what we're talking about. A negative number and a negative integer, so a whole number, not a fraction, not a decimal. Could be -1, could be -2, for example. That's very important. And we're wondering, of all the possible values that are listed, A through E, which one would be the smallest? Which one would be farthest to the left on the number line? One thing you notice is that in all the choices, we're going to be subtracting a number that's very close to 1/2, very close to 0.5. In answer A, it's exactly equal to 0.5, but in all the other ones, very, very close to 0.5. But since we're moving to the left, the number that seems to be the, quote, biggest is actually moving us farther to the left than the right, just to be clear about that. All right, let's talk about x for a minute. Suppose that x were -1. Well, -1 squared, hey, we now make it a positive number. -1 squared would be what? Would be +1. So would -1 to the fourth. I'll write x to the fourth. If you raise a negative number to a power that is an even number, to an exponent that is an even number, you automatically make the number x, in this case, a positive number. Whether x itself is negative, whether x itself is positive, if you square it, or raise it to the fourth power, or the sixth power, etc. If you bring it to an exponent that is an even number, then the result is going to be positive. So we don't want that. We'd love to have results that are negative numbers, that are on the left side of 0. The test gives you a lot of credit for noticing that. We can get rid of A, B, and E right away. X would be -1. X cubed would also be -1. That's the big insight you need to have to get this question right. All right, but what else do we need to know? Well, we have this value of, again, it's approximately 0.5. In answer C, it's 0.502. In answer D, it's just a tiny little bit bigger than that, 0.511. So D is going to bring us even farther to the left than C is. The answer is D.